What up? It's your boy King Dow 225 coming at you with another reactionary video. So hit that like, subscribe, or come party. Man, Pooh Keisha tried to get away. The lady Pookie and Ray Ray, man, y'all have so much to say about young black males in my community. When I tell you the young ladies are just as bad, y'all won't hear it. Y'all won't hear it. Where these bad kids getting this bad shit from? If the daddy ain't around, must be the man. She tried to dash on the cell phone repairman, but he was prepared for her. And sometimes you just smell these little fuck niggas come around your shit. Anybody who, saw my short and here for to see the full video, man, this shit is 6 minutes and 20 seconds. And I want y'all to guess. You only get one guess on what the mama do when she finally comes. Let's get to the video. And see, he reached to the phone. Her phone repaired. She was up to something. You big dummy. Now watch how she explained it and changed the narrative and almost become a victim. Now I want y'all to point this mere fact out. When I be out here telling these single black mothers how different the world is for their sons as opposed to their daughters, I can almost guarantee you, but it would have been gunned down. I guarantee you, but it would have had the police call on him. I guarantee you, but it wouldn't have been. Obama wouldn't have been this sensitive or this understanding, buddy. Now she calling mom stupid.
You gonna give me my screen back or you're gonna go home? Which one is it? All you have to do is give me the phone, let me take the screen off, and I'll let you go. Now if you don't give me my screen back, give me the phone back. Give me the phone back. Give me the phone, I'm gonna take the screen off and you can put your old screen back on and let you go. You know I got everything on camera, right?
Now just remember, I already know what's about to happen. Like this is very problematic in my community. Like very problematic when it comes to black women. I already know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna give y'all ass one guess. What you think gonna happen when that mama come in this store?
Can I have my phone back and I put the screen back on? You can go to Jamal? My mom about to come up here. I don't want your mama here. Give me my phone back. Give me my screen back. Mom, come on, for real.
Fuck your mama gonna do, nigga.
I'm not letting your mom in. I don't want my money. I want my screen back. Give me the phone, and I can let you go. He's trying to sue me. Hurry up. What the hell? I got you on camera. Why are you lying? She's lying. She won't give me back the screen. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Now watch what happens. Exactly. The mother going to make excuses, defend her wrong. Didn't even really question her child about her baby. He up in this motherfucker arguing with the man. Was gonna charge her. Well, you charge me this amount for my. Listen, bitch, we ain't here for that. We here because yo, the ratchet ass chap tried to run out of the store without paying, and I locked the door on her ass. And now when y'all niggas want to pay, and you in my motherfucking face talking about the price I told, man.
She tried to run out of the store. Okay. And I told her, give me the phone, I'll take the screen off, and we can be done with this. But she wasn't having it. How much is the phone cost? The screen is $125.
See, I won't pause till 2 more minutes and 30 seconds. When that man say, I put on the screen, she tried to run off. That was supposed to be in the conversation. Get that man his screen back. Shut the fuck up. Let's go. Point blank period. What the fuck is you then? 2 minutes and 30 seconds of arguing about some wrong that your child did? I'm not doing. I'm gonna call police on both y'all stupid asses.
Or 11. The screen for the 12 is $200.
You didn't charge me. When you fixed my phone, they didn't charge me that.
You must have got insurance or something.
No, you lost it. What do you mean? She must have got insurance. I got insurance. So why do you think I do insurance? I don't know.
All you have to do is give me the phone back and I can take the screen off and we're done.
You just go upstairs. You just go around the corner and get it fixed. Come on, let's go. Give me the fucking phone. I'm about to get it fixed. Give me the fucking phone. I'm take the fucking screen off. Why you gonna try to break my phone? Break your phone.
What's already broken? Oh my God, man, harder than we could have been done in two.
My first fucker, he got to do it in two myself. But he charged all the time. No, he did that. He wasn't weird, but he did that. He's not supposed to
She ran, honey, your daughter is a liar.
What happened?
She came in here with a little boy. She asked me how much the screen was. I told her $125. She came and she left it off. Can I finish with your mom? Can I finish with your mom? When she came back, I told her you got too many problems going on because your cable snapped her from the inside because when it dropped, it must have came off. Her battery is fat. Look, I showed her this before I even did the work. Your intention was to run out here with the phone. That's why your friend had the door open and I told you to have her close it. I knew you were doing this. Honey, I've been doing this for 30 years. You never come. I don't want you to hear the truth. I told her your phone is not fixable. I told her your battery's fat. Your earpiece is broken. Look at the back. You know. Stop lying. That's why she's on TikTok too. She ran away 2 months ago. She did that. That's why she tried to do it too.
Alright. Going through all that stuff. That shit is fucking nuts and fucking crazy. I got no
Still gonna get that cell phone fixed like a lot of black mothers. They be out here, children getting in trouble. They still be buying them joys and cell phones and all this kind of shit. They disrespect them. Oh, I'm still gonna get your hair done, your nail fixed, man, listen. You gotta earn these goddamn pleasures in the world. Like she really came out here, ready to jump on this man's throat for some wrong bullshit her own child did. I'm gonna end this with my famous phrase. Where is your daddy? Hit that like, subscribe, become part of the kingdom.